Hello! Today I get to share with you some pieces I picked up from the brand new Dior Backstage Rosy Glow collection. We're going to swatch, we're going to try, we're going to see, because this collection, it looks pretty fun. Let's get into it, shall we? Let's hydrate and begin. So let's unbox together. I tell you, Dior, always beautiful presentation and packaging. So I've got a Rosy Glow Blush Stick. How cute is that packaging? I've got the Backstage Rosy Glow Blush. We'll compare this to the previous because it's supposedly reformulated. And then lip butters. So these are said to be skin-forward formulas that are supposed to look and feel luxurious. I mean, it's Dior, come on. Let's start with details, swatches, and then we will demo and get this thing on the face and see what everything's all about. So let's start off with the Rosy Glow Stick. This is Dior's cream blush. This is a brand new product. This packaging is very Dior. It's literally a jumbo of their existing, which I think is cute. It's on brand. Quality, I mean, it's plastic. But then again, the Backstage line, it's not anything over the top to begin with. So here we go. Here we go. You got your details here, and I'm going to twist this all the way up so you can see. Boom. There is the blush. This is the shade 12 Rosewood. This is described as a creamy, long-lasting blush stick that adapts to your skin's pH. Very interested in seeing how that translates. But it's supposed to give you a personalized flush. We'll obviously see. Rosewood delivers a dewy rose tone glow that feels hydrating thanks to the cherry oil. And it blends like a second skin and wears comfortably for up to 12 hours. Great for cheeks and even across the eyes for a quick monochromatic moment. Great claims. I'm here for it. So that's our first product, the Lip Glow Butters. Immediately. Super cute. I picked up two shades. I figured I'd start with these two and we'll see. These are described as balm meets gloss. The Lip Glow Butters deliver 24-hour hydration with a shiny plush finish. So Glazed Pink, which is this one, it's described as shimmery and flirty. And then Toffee, it's said to give a soft, natural warmth. Now these are also said to be packed with peptides and ceramides to smooth and soften your lips in every swipe. Cushiony applicator hugs your lips just right. And a blush. This is called the Rosy Glow Powder Blush. This is reformulated. I did a dedicated video swatching all of the Dior blushes. I like them. I think they're nice. So I have the shade number 77, Candy. Because I have all of the other ones, I didn't get all of these. I figured let me get one that I don't have. And the previous blushes didn't have this shade, so packaging is really cute. Let's see if this gives us a funhouse mirror like the other ones. This is described as a buildable blush with Dior's signature pH reactive technology. And the shade Candy is a bright poppy pink that transforms on your skin for a fresh, lit from within finish. The fine texture melts in seamlessly, blurring texture while keeping the color vibrant and customizable. I have Rosewood in the previous blush, so we will compare that. I'm just skimming through the collection to see if I have anything that's similar to Candy that we can compare as well. I was thinking Poppy Coral, but this is a little orangey, a little brighter. And then I kind of considered Cherry, but I don't think that's comparable either. So, I don't know. I think we'll just stick to Rosewood. As always, timestamps are down below if you want to skip ahead to anything and you want to see anything in particular. And I also have everything that I use and talk about today, because we're going to do a full face of Dior. I'll have everything listed and linked down below in the description box for you. They do a great job when it comes to the little details. So let's do a little swatch of Rosewood. Okay, nicely pigmented, very creamy, very pretty. Okay, let's check out Candy Blush. Nice. Nice. Oh my goodness, I have a type. Even when I want to tell myself I don't, I do. Creamy, pigmented. There are little micro glitters in here. Let me see if I can show you. Little, see the little gold shift there? Little micro glitters in that. They're very fine, so I'm curious to see how this will translate on the skin, but we'll see. Glazed Pink. This I'm not expecting too much from. So let's see. A little glitter to it, but not too much. Okay. And then Toffee. Reality is, with a product like this is not meant to be like a lipstick. You want lipsticks? Dior's got you for lipstick, you know? Toffee. She's cute. I like her. One side we will do the cream, one side we will do the powder. Primer, I'm going to go in with my 8th Day Moisturizing SPF Primer. Follow it up with my Dior Hydra Nude. I love this stuff. My only beef is I can't pump it anymore, so now I have to go like this and put it. And I highly dislike doing that, but I love the product, so yeah. I also follow up with a little bit of my Dior Stick Foundation. I like these together. I'm sharing a bit of base with you today because I want to just incorporate these products in my already go-tos, you know, for the daily. And let's see how they do. I'm going to lightly set, very light layer, which is key because we are going to go back in with a cream product, but I'm going to set my face with my Dior powder. Bringing a little warmth back to the face. This is the Dior Contour Stick. This is the shade 2 Tan. Let's start off with the Rosy Glow Stick. I'm going to try this on the back of the hand and then apply, and let's see how that goes. I'm picking up with the brush. That's a pretty color, isn't it? And let's, yeah, I definitely knew that this way of application, hand and then apply with the brush, was going to be very natural and soft. That's nice. Going on the skin nicely, going over my already applied products nicely. Pretty color. All right, we're super close so you can see everything on the skin. That's a pretty flush. Now, you want more. Let's see. I'm going to apply direct. Let's see. Okay, blending nicely. It's definitely going to be a little bit more when you apply direct versus picking it up and diffusing it a bit. Looks good though. Feels nice. Definitely a nice rosy glow. Pretty. Do I dare put this on my eye? Maybe? Let's try it. It's not my favorite for the eye. I'm going to leave that be. This is definitely a 2-for-1. You don't need to go in with highlight after this. You are nice and healthy, flushed. Looks pretty on the skin. Now for this side, we're going to go in with the powder blush. And again, this is a color reviving, pH activated natural glow blush. Okay. I'm going to be using the Dior number 16 brush. Nice, nice. This mirror. Listen, all my other Dior products, the mirrors are fine. These mirrors are not cool. They're a little like wavy. Yeah, you can see it right there. Look at that. That's unacceptable, Dior. You know what I think it is? I think because we allowed them to do it to us with this one, they're like, we're just going to keep doing it. Or I don't know. I keep thinking there's like something on here to peel off, but there's not. Anyways, let's. pH activated. So, oh, you can definitely see all the glitters. Definitely seeing all those glitters on the skin. And I don't think this is an overlay. So if you're not one that loves glitters in your products, ooh, that's a lot. Keep that in mind. Let's build it up. So that was one light layer. You see all that glitter? Ooh. I'm here for a glowy moment, but there's a lot of glitter going on. Yeah, that is a lot of glitter. Look at that. Camera's really letting you see it. A lot of glitter. See it? Huh. I wasn't expecting all that glitter. I'm gonna save my thoughts for the end, okay? A lot of glitter. Wow. I don't know how I feel about this. The formula is fine, you know. There's a lot of glitter. A lot of glitter. Anyways, here we go. I'm totally here for glowy products, but that's a tremendous amount of gold glitter in this blush. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Let's put it on the eyes. Might as well. A little monochromatic moment, right? Definitely makes for a beautiful eyeshadow, I will tell you that. Those glitters are nice on the eyes. That looks nice on the eyes, doesn't it? Sushi in the waterline to brighten, and then I'll go in with some of my Dior mascara. Finish up the eyes. And then we'll try these lip butters. I'm going to go into this dark brown shade from the Dior palette. Add a little touch of depth on the eyes. Because the blush is nice on the eyes, but I need a little something out there. Just a little. So blushes side by side, first impression. Love this. Love it. Love it. And it went over top of product beautifully. This is going to be nice on no makeup days. This is going to be nice for glam days. This takes a step out of your routine. You don't have to go in with highlight if you don't want to. This is nice. Like this. The formula's fine, pretty, but I was not expecting all this glitter. I know I keep saying that, but it genuinely like surprised me. But here they are, side by side. All right, so let's try out these very expensive decorated lip butters. So again, we've got peptides, ceramides. They're supposed to hydrate, smooth, and shine. I'm here for it. I'm going to start off with the shade Pink Glaze. The applicator's cool. It definitely hugs the lips. You can be precise with it. It's a little minty. They're very fine glitters in here too. So that's the first shade. I'm going to put the other shade on the bottom so we can see them side by side. And this is the shade Toffee. One on top, one on the bottom. They're glosses. All right, now that everything's been applied, I've had a moment to try the formula, see the formula, apply the formula, and share it with you. Let's talk about it. Let's start off with the Lip Glow Butters. One has a little pearlescent to it. One is just a little tint of color. Beautiful colors, realistic, approachable, wearable, things you'll use up. Take away the charm. I don't know if I would buy them. You know what I mean? And that could go either way. You're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. you know. I will say the quality overall is nice, you know, it's attached good. It's not like cheapy. Weren't people doing this themselves? Wasn't that a thing? And Dior caught onto it and they're like, oh, let's. I don't know. I don't particularly feel these are a necessity, but they're cute. These are adorable. You cannot deny these are not cute, okay? Pretty colors. I am very content with the colors that I went with. Very wearable, very approachable, very basic, you know what I mean? The applicator is nice, the packaging is cute. If you're in the market for a new lip product, you know Dior is gonna deliver. Good quality, cute packaging. The Rosy Glow Color Reviving pH Activated Natural Glow Blush. I don't know if all of them have this glitter, okay? It's a lot of glitter. The formula is nice, it's smooth, it's buildable, it blends, it melds, but geez, the glitter, ooh, I wasn't expecting that. That might be my fault. I don't know if they're all like that. I'm glad that I tried it and I'm glad that I was able to share it with you. You can see for yourself if you're into a glowy blush that's glittery. This is cool. This is going to be it. Of all of the products I tried today, this is the one that did it for me. I really like the finish and the look and the feel and the glow, the ease of use, the buildability, the blendability, everything about this, including the jumbo lipstick size aspect of the packaging. I really, really enjoy this. I am very much wanting to get more colors of this, but I know I don't need any more blushes. But it's a beautiful product overall, very easy. I cannot wait to use this on a no makeup day. Just pat it in and go. It's really, really beautiful. This is going to give you that glow and that flush. You don't even have to go in with highlight. And now that it's been sitting for a while, it's still like a tad bit tacky, but it's a cream product. You know what I mean? I don't feel that it's going to move. I don't have it on my finger here after touching it. It feels lightweight, comfortable. It blended beautifully. Side by side, the powder formula of this, the colors are quite similar. So if you want to pair them together, I think they would do so nicely. Two completely different products, yes, but their colors are rosewood. They're rosewoods. And that's a wrap on this glowing Dior moment. What have you tried? What caught your eye in today's video? Let's talk about it. Comment down below. As always, thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Please take a moment and give today's video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.